Welcome back, little explorers. This is Sport for Kids, and today's mission is super fun. We have 3 exciting rounds, and each round has 5 hidden animals. Look closely, guess fast, and try to beat the timer. Ready to start the adventure? Here we go. Before we start, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like. And make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Round 1 begins. Can you find the Forest King? Your 10 seconds start now. You got it. It's the tiger, the mighty ruler of the jungle. A shiny sea creature is hiding here. Can you find it? It's a starfish, found in warm, shallow seawater. A clever climber is hiding here. Can you guess which animal it is? It's a monkey, found in forests, swinging and jumping from tree to tree. Can you guess this gentle farm friend? It's a cow, famous for giving us milk and living on farms. Which forest animal loves bamboo? Guess before the timer ends. And the correct answer is panda, a cute and gentle forest animal who loves bamboo. Now move to the hard round. These 5 animals are tricky. Let's see if you can find them. A playful bird is hiding in the icy waters. Can you spot which one it is? And the correct answer is penguin, a cute bird that lives in cold regions and swims in the sea. Can you spot this gentle ocean traveler? Your 10 seconds start now. And the correct answer is sea turtle, a graceful ocean animal that lives near coral reefs. Which sea animal claps and barks in the ocean? Guess before the timer ends. It's a seal, known for clapping, barking, and swimming in cold seas. Which ocean animal can change color and squeeze into tiny spaces? Hurry, guess before time runs out. It's an octopus, found in deep waters, famous for its intelligence and flexibility. A striped sea creature with spiky fins is hiding here. Can you guess which one it is? It's a lionfish, known for its stripes, spiky fins, and hunting skills in the sea. Move to the last but not least round, which is impossible, and don't forget to tell me in comments how many you guess. Can you spot the unicorn of the sea? And the correct answer is narwhal, a rare Arctic whale known as the unicorn of the sea. Can you find this tiny but mighty ocean fighter? It's a mantis shrimp, found in tropical seas, famous for its strong punch and bright colors. Which sea animal looks just like floating seaweed? Hurry, guess before time runs out. It's a leafy sea dragon, found near the Australian coast, a magical sea creature. A glowing predator is hiding in the deep ocean. Can you guess which animal it is? You got it, anglerfish, one of the most fascinating hunters of the deep sea. A tiny animal is hiding in the trees. Can you guess which one it is? It's a squirrel, found in forests, famous for jumping between trees and storing food. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, then hit the like button and tell me in comment how was the video.